There are some amazing credit card sign-up bonuses right now, with some of the lowest spend requirements to date. In this video, we'll go over our top picks for the best welcome bonuses on the market right now for credit cards that offer great cashback rewards with no annual fees. Welcome to Walliterate, I'm Ashley. On this channel, we talk about all things budgeting, saving up, and saving money. If you like this kind of content and want to see more, be sure to click like and subscribe. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor or accountant. This video is for general educational purposes only. No official financial advice is being given. Be sure to always consult a professional before making any investments or financial decisions. The offers and information provided in the video are accurate at the time of the posting date, but may not be in the future. If you make a purchase or apply for an offer using one of the affiliate links provided, I may receive a commission at no charge to you. First off, all of the credit cards on this list have no annual fees. Welcome bonuses for no annual fee cards usually aren't as large as ones with annual fees, but with no fees, there's no need to worry about whether the rewards of the card outweigh the cost of having the card each year. Of course, with the value offered from the credit cards on this list, you'll need pretty good credit to be approved. We ranked each of these cards roughly based on two main factors: the bonus offered compared to the spend amount and time frame, and the main cashback rewards that are offered for the card long term. Of course, the value you personally get out of each card will depend on what credit card rewards you already have with your current cards and what spending categories you typically spend the most in. The order of the cards is from the least to most attractive in terms of both the bonus offer and cashback rewards of the card, but some of the cards that rank lower on the list may have cashback rewards and perks that make them a better fit for your lifestyle. And credit card offers and bonuses also do change from time to time, so it's a good idea to consider all your options on this list. Also keep in mind that the credit card offers in this video can change at any time. Even though there are also credit cards on the market offering sign-up bonuses of $100 to $150, there are a ton of cards offering bonuses of $200 or more right now, so we'll be strictly focusing on those higher bonuses in this video. Since there are quite a few options on this list, we'll just talk about the bonus offer and briefly go over the main rewards of each card. Starting off the list is the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card. They're currently offering a $200 cash rewards bonus after you spend $1,000 on purchases in the first 90 days of opening your account. With this card, you'll earn 3% cash back in the eligible category of your choice, which you can change up to once a month. The categories include gas, online shopping, dining, travel, drugstores, or home improvement and furnishings. You'll also earn 2% cash back at grocery stores and wholesale clubs, and you'll get 1% cash back on all other purchases. Keep in mind you'll earn that 3% and 2% cash back on the first $2,500 spent on purchases each quarter for the choice category, grocery store category, and wholesale club category combined. And then you'll earn 1% cash back after that for the rest of the quarter. They're also offering a 0% intro APR for your first 18 billing cycles for new purchases. Overall, this card offers a good sign-up bonus, and the 3% cash back for the category you choose can make it a decent supplemental card to your lineup. But there are definitely more impressive cashback cards on this list, so this card comes in at number 10. Next, we have the Wells Fargo Autograph Credit Card. Right now, you can earn 20,000 bonus points, which equates to $200, when you spend $1,000 in purchases in the first 3 months of opening your account. With this card, you'll earn 3 rewards points per $1 spent on travel, transit, gas, dining, phone plans, and popular streaming services. You'll also get 1 point per $1 spent on other purchases. You can also get a 0% intro APR for 12 months from account opening on your new purchases. The welcome bonus, in addition to its highly valuable 3% categories, including main categories and less common ones, places it at number 9 on our list. The next card on our list is the Citi Rewards Plus credit card. Currently, you can earn 25,000 bonus points after you spend $1,500 within 3 months of opening your account, which is an amazing offer. But there is a slight catch. The bonus points are redeemable at the full amount of $250 in the form of gift cards. With this card, you can currently earn 5 thank you points per $1 spent on hotel and car rentals booked through the Citi Travel Portal through June 30th, 2024. You can also earn 2 thank you points per $1 spent at supermarkets and gas stations for the first $6,000 per year, and 1 point per $1 spent after meeting the threshold. You can also get 1 thank you point per $1 spent on all other purchases. This card will also round up the points earned from each of your purchases to the nearest 10 points. For example, a $3 parking meter earns 10 points rather than 3 points. You'll also get 10% points back when you redeem your points, up to the first 100,000 points redeemed per year. For example, if you redeem 10,000 points, you'll get 1,000 back. You can also get a 0% intro APR for 15 months on your new purchases with the card. This card offers a very high sign-up bonus, but it is less convenient to opt for gift cards rather than cash back for the full value. And the cashback rewards for the card are less straightforward and generally not as high as some of the other cards on this list, so it comes in at number 8. Next, we have the Capital One Saver One credit card. Right now, you can earn a one-time $200 cash bonus after spending $500 on purchases in the first 3 months of opening your account. This is one of the best offers out there right now in terms of the spend amount to bonus ratio. It's like getting 40% off a purchase of $500. With this card, you'll earn unlimited 3% cashback on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and at grocery stores. You'll also earn 1% cashback on all other purchases. Through November 14th, 2024, you can earn 10% cashback on purchases with Uber and Uber Eats. You can also get complimentary Uber One membership statement credits every month up until that date as well. You can also get a 0% intro APR for 15 months on the new purchases you make with the card. Plus, another bonus is the card has no foreign transaction fee. This card offers an amazing bonus to spend ratio of 2 to 5. And with the 3% cashback on several common spending categories, in addition to that great Uber offer right now, it's been placed at number 7 on our list. The next card on this list is the US Bank Cash Plus Visa Signature Credit Card. You can currently earn a $200 rewards bonus after applying online and spending $1,000 in eligible purchases within the first 120 days of opening your account. With this card, you'll earn 5% cashback on your first $2,000 in eligible net purchases each quarter on the combined 2 categories you choose, such as home utilities, TV, internet, and streaming, department stores, electronic stores, gyms and fitness centers, furniture stores, and more. You'll also earn 2% cashback on your choice of one everyday category, and 1% cashback on all other eligible net purchases. The everyday categories you can pick from include grocery stores and grocery delivery, restaurants, and gas stations and EV charging stations. Keep in mind, if you don't choose your Cash Plus categories each quarter, all your eligible net purchases will earn the basic 1% cashback, so you'll want to make sure you set your categories ahead of time. You can also get a 0% intro APR on your new purchases for your first 15 billing cycles. Overall, the sign-up bonus for this card is really good, and the card offers some really great rewards with the 5% cashback on less common categories, which can make it a great supplemental card to your lineup, so it's been placed at number 6 on our list. Next, we have the US Bank Altitude Go Visa Signature Credit Card. You can currently earn 20,000 bonus points, which equates to $200, after you spend $1,000 on eligible purchases within the first 90 days of opening your account. With this card, you'll earn 4 points per $1 you spend on dining, which includes takeout and delivery as well. You'll also earn 2 points per $1 spent at grocery stores, including grocery delivery, gas stations and EV charging stations, and on eligible streaming services. You'll get 1 point per $1 you spend on all other eligible purchases. You can also get an annual $15 credit for streaming service purchases like Netflix and Spotify. You can also get a 0% intro APR on your new purchases for your first 12 billing cycles. In addition to its nice sign-up bonus, this card also offers an amazing 4% cashback for dining at restaurants, takeout, and delivery. Plus, you'll also get that 2% cashback on several common spending categories, as well as that nice streaming service credit, placing it at number 5 on our list. Next on our list is the Citi Custom Cash Credit Card. Right now, you can earn a $200 cashback bonus after spending $1,500 on purchases within the first 6 months of opening your account. With this card, you can earn 5% cashback on your highest eligible spend category each billing cycle for up to $500 spent, and then you'll earn 1% cashback for purchases made in that category after that for that billing cycle. The category will automatically be determined by the category you've spent the most in using the card. The eligible categories include restaurants, grocery stores, gas stations, select travel, select transit, select streaming services, drugstores, fitness clubs, home improvement stores, and live entertainment. You'll also earn 1% cashback on all other purchases. You can also get a 0% intro APR for 15 months on your new purchases. The bonus of this card isn't bad, though the required spend amount is much higher than most of the cards on this list. The 5% cashback for your highest spend category for up to $500 spent each month, which can include a number of common spending categories, really makes it an awesome option to consider, so it's been placed at number 4 on the list. Our next card is the Wells Fargo Active Cash Credit Card. Right now, you can earn a $200 cash rewards bonus when you spend $500 on purchases in the first 3 months of opening your account. With this card, you can earn straight 2% cashback on your purchases, so it makes for an awesome no-frills catch-all credit card for any miscellaneous purchases that don't fall under the spending categories you can get higher rewards for with your other cards. You'll also get a 0% intro APR for 15 months from account opening on new purchases made with the card. This card offers an awesome welcome bonus in addition to its highly valuable 2% cashback for all purchases, and is my personal favorite catch-all credit card that I use all the time, so it's been placed at number 3 on our list. Our next credit card is the Chase Freedom Unlimited Credit Card. Right now, you can earn a $200 bonus after spending $500 on purchases in the first 3 months of opening your account. With this card, you'll earn 5% cashback on travel purchased through the Chase Ultimate Rewards platform, including available airline tickets, hotel accommodations, car rentals, activities, and cruises, 3% cashback on dining at restaurants, including takeout and eligible delivery services, and 3% on drugstore purchases. You'll earn straight 1.5% cashback on other purchases. Right now, you can also earn 5% cashback for each $1 spent when your card's used for qualifying Lyft products and services purchased through the Lyft mobile app through March 31st, 2025. You can also get a 0% intro APR for 15 months from account opening on your new purchases. Overall, this is another amazing bonus offer with a very low spend requirement. That, combined with the cashback rewards of this card on both common spending categories and miscellaneous purchases, places it at number 2 on our list. Coming in at number 1, we have the Chase Freedom Flex credit card, which is the sister card to the Chase Freedom Unlimited card we just covered. The bonus offer is the same for this card, so you'll get a $200 bonus after spending $500 on purchases within those first 3 months of opening your account. In my opinion though, this is the better of the two cards. With this card, you'll earn 5% cashback on up to $1,500 of combined purchases in revolving bonus categories which change each quarter, for each quarter that you activate them. To give you an idea of the types of categories they typically offer, past revolving categories include gas stations, grocery stores, department stores, PayPal, Amazon, Walmart, Whole Foods, select wholesale clubs, and select streaming services. Just like with the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, you'll earn 5% cashback on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% cashback on dining, and 3% cashback at drugstores. For all other purchases though, you'll get a lower cashback percentage of 1%. You'll also get that same Lyft offer as well. You can also get a 0% intro APR for 15 months from account opening on your new purchases. This card is one of my all-time favorites for a few reasons. In addition to that amazing bonus offer, we get the 5% rotating categories each quarter, which usually cover pretty common spending areas, in addition to its basic 3% cashback in several common spending categories. So it's been placed at number 1 on our list. That wraps up our top picks for easy sign-up bonuses for cashback credit cards with amazing rewards and no annual fees. Of course, before you apply for a card, you'll want to look up the most up-to-date offers for any cards you're thinking of getting, especially for those welcome bonuses, to make sure you get the best offer possible. Let me know in the comments below, which of these credit card bonuses are you interested in the most? Are you thinking of getting any of the cards on this list? If you're interested in earning money on your existing savings, you can check out this video next to learn about some awesome bank accounts on the market right now. If you found this video helpful, it would be a huge help if you could click like and subscribe. It really helps our channel with the algorithm, so our videos can get out to even more people to help them save money, and it's completely free. If you want to be notified when we post new videos, make sure you also hit that notification bell when subscribing. Thanks for watching and see you next time.